Hi everybody, welcome back from break. My name is Mr. Marshall, but your physics teacher today will be Mr. Farkas, and he'll be in all week. We are going to start the week of Farkas with a test. No, not kidding. It is a physics concept assessment. It was actually developed by a university to assess undergraduate physics understandings. So it's not a calculator-based test, but it's really looking at how you're understanding the forces that are acting in our world. It is typically done as a pre-test before I start the physics unit, but I figure we haven't gone too far, so this is still a pretty good place to begin. This test, again, it's all conceptual knowledge. None of it is going to be calculator-based. It is important that you guys do give this some solid effort. Understanding the things you got wrong, being able to look back and see what you got wrong is going to really help you in terms of figuring out what concepts it is that you're misunderstanding. That's always the goal in physics, is to disrupt your misconceptions, figure out what you're understanding wrong and how we can fix it. That being said, I'm not going to score this as an actual test. Typically, students score somewhere in the 20s with this. Again, it's not, the questions don't seem hard, but a lot of times your intuitive, your first reaction answer isn't necessarily the correct one, just because the way you've been looking at nature has been a little bit askew. So that being said, Mr. Farkas is going to hand out a bubble sheet. Put down A block physics concept test with your name. If you don't have a number 2 pencil, because I don't have them to provide, if you don't have any, you can fill it in pen, and I'll have you go over it in pencil at a later date. That's fine. So do your best on these. I will count them as a participation grade, not as a test grade. And it's something that we're going to look at when I get back. All right. Does anybody have any questions before Mr. Farkas hands this out? And no, Jasper, I can't actually answer any questions because this is a pre-recorded message, as you probably figured out. So, but I do want your opportunity for your questions to be heard. So, by all means, say them. Anything. Okay. So let's get started. Good luck, everybody. Give it some solid effort and give it some solid thought. Thank you.